Assalamu alaikum. Open your computer book, page number 15, trace and fill color in the picture. Today we will trace and color it. Students, look carefully the dotted lines. We have to follow the dots and trace the lines according the dotted lines. We will trace it. Move the pencil on dots very carefully. Trace each line of the given picture. This is the picture of printer. Start this line. Now start from here. Okay, now start from here. Draw. Trace these lines. Yes, trace these lines. Okay. Now complete these lines. Okay. Now draw the circles. Now trace these circles. Okay, start this line, turn from here, complete this line. Okay, yes. Okay, we will trace these spelling P R I N T E R. Printer. I am a printer. Now we will start coloring. We will fill color in it. Start color from the outlines. I'm filling the blue color. You can choose of your own choice. Coloring is the interesting thing to do for children. Yes, now I will complete this color. I will fill blue color in this portion of the picture. Remember, this is the picture of printer. You can fill color of your own choice. Fill color neatly. Don't skip a single portion of picture during the coloring. Now I will fill color in this portion of the picture. Students, do you know the color of sky is blue? This is the blue color. Now I will fill pink color in this portion of the picture. Pink color is of my choice and you can choose any color. I'm filling blue color in this portion and pink in this portion. Now I will fill yellow color. In this portion I will fill pink color. In this portion I will pink color too. Fill color beautifully and neatly. I'm filling pink color in the outline of this picture. Now I will fill blue color in this portion. You can fill color of your own choice. I'm filling color very neatly. Students, you can fill the color of your own choice in the printer. I will fill green color in these circles. Circle the printer from the given pictures. This is speakers, scanner, and this is the picture of printer. Circle it.